We can use several methods to heat the base metals to brazing temperature. They are as follows: torch brazing, furnace or vacuum brazing, induction brazing, and resistance brazing. Torch brazing is carried out using a gas torch. Recall that the torch is used to produce a flame. This flame is used for heating the base metals. Recall that we need to manually ensure that brazing temperature is reached in torch brazing. In furnace brazing, a constant brazing temperature is maintained using control systems. This is similar to how thermostat controls temperature of air conditioner. Furnace brazing is also called vacuum brazing. Recall that metal reacts with air while brazing. In vacuum brazing, no air is present inside the furnace. This prevents oxidation and rust formation. We use several heating methods for heating base metals: torch brazing, furnace or vacuum brazing, induction brazing, and resistance brazing. Torch brazing produces flame using gas fuel. Furnace brazing, also called vacuum brazing, prevents oxidation of base metals while brazing. Induction heating is flame-free and contactless method of heating the base metal. In resistance brazing, resistance by the base metals to flow of electricity generates heat.